my name is Sonia Shah, and I just cleared my PC written exam in the first attempt with the help of PC Study Buddy. So I came to Canada in 2023. Back in 22, I was doing my credential process, and I landed in Canada last year. But I was very clear that I wanted to start my career as a physiotherapist when I come to Canada. And a few of my friends and many more seniors and juniors recommended me to go with Study Buddy. So that is why I opted for Study Buddy. The biggest problem that I faced was while I was studying MSK because it is not my favorite subject. Also, it had a lot of conceptual thinking, which is way more different than what I had learned before. So every time, whenever I used to go through a lecture, I used to make it sure that I would go back and watch the YouTube videos or maybe make my own mnemonics or other ways because I'm more of a visual learner. So for me, it was more comfortable to go with the YouTube videos, and always obviously I would always opt for YouTube Shorts because it was it is of 30 seconds, which was much easier for me to understand rather than sit for more than 2 or 3 minutes and waste my time. The same way, I also applied for cardiopulmonary, whatever topics they had taught us, pleural effusion or pneumothorax. I made it sure to go and watch a YouTube video and visualize it, and that is the way I found. At the end, I started finding it much easier. Initially it was hard in the starting first 2 or 3 months, in the first 2 months I guess, but then when I started watching, I took this approach, and I would say that changed everything for me then. I had signed up for mentorship, and my mentor was Kiran Naz ma'am. I took her mentorship because it was recommended to me by a lot of friends who had passed under her mentorship. So obviously I wanted to pass my exam in the very first attempt, and I saw that Kiran Naz would be the absolute perfect person for me to help me guide through the journey. Her mentorship programs have been a game changer for me. She gives that undivided attention to each and every student. Also, the way of teaching is very different and very logical. She keeps it very concise, and she doesn't go over the board, which I wanted as a student from a mentor, because the syllabus is too much, and if we go overboard, we won't be able to complete everything. She helped me clear my weak areas, and she made sure that she supported me in every way. She would receive or respond to the text or call even at the middle of the night, and that is why I think that she is a very good mentor, and she has really proven a good mentor for me. Apart from the academical support, my emotional support was my family back in India, both my in-laws and my own parents. My in-laws have stood by me in all the situation. When I came to Canada and I had to study, and obviously I was not able to do the other work of the house. My husband stood up and he made everything for me. He made my life much easier. He took over the kitchen and he made me the food, which was nourishing and which was very required for me while I was preparing for the exam. Also, I have 2 or 3 friends which were extremely important for me because they have given me that guidance which I needed, both in a not only by providing notes but also by supporting me and explaining me the topics which I found difficult to understand. Last but not the least, my mom and my dad, more of my mother, because she was always with me on the call, be it any time in India, because and she would just listen to me as I started revising, and because I had no study partner, I wanted someone to listen to me while I was studying. So she used to do her own work, and I used to just keep on talking and talking on the call, and she used to keep listening to me, maybe it like 1 hour or 2 hours, or how much time I want to take. And she always made sure, my mother, my husband, my in-laws, everybody, that I believe in myself. There are dark times when I started doubting myself, and they all told me that you can do it. Everybody has done it, and you can do it because you are a deserving person. and you have the potential to do it. So I would express my gratitude to all these people who were a strong pillar for my journey, were a strong pillar for me. My tip for the students would be, tip number one would be, believe in yourself. You have got it. Second tip, why would this go as a first tip? Because it is very important. If you do not believe in yourself, you won't be able to conquer it. Tip two would be, revise every single day. Do not miss it. Revision is the key. That changes everything for you, and it also makes you confident. Tip number three, for all the people who are visual learners or not, always opt for YouTube videos. Try to visualize it. Try to see a short YouTube video. That will make it much easier for you to understand and to imagine that what situation are you dealing with. I wish all the students a very good luck, and thank you, PC Study Buddy, for supporting me for my journey.